In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square payments with QuickBooks. By the end, your Square sales will flow into QuickBooks automatically, saving you time on data entry and making reconciliation much smoother. First, open QuickBooks in your browser and sign in to the company you want to connect. Make sure you're using an active QuickBooks subscription for that company and that you have admin or full access. This matters because only authorized users can turn on integrations. If you manage multiple companies, double-check you're in the right one before you continue. Once you're on the QuickBooks dashboard, head to the Integrations area. Depending on your view, this may be labeled as Integrations or appear within the Apps section. The goal here is to get to the place where QuickBooks lists the apps and connections it supports. This is where you'll manage and add your connections, including Square. Next, use the Find Integrations search bar. Type Square and look for the official connection that lets QuickBooks pull in your Square sales, fees, and deposits. Open the listing to review what it syncs and how often it updates. When you're ready, select Connect. QuickBooks will open a secure window asking you to sign in to your Square account and authorize the connection. Authenticate directly with Square, approve the permissions, and let the two systems link. Don't share credentials with anyone, and complete the prompts in the secure window only. After authorization, QuickBooks may ask a few setup questions, such as which company file to link, the earliest date you want to import from, and where to record deposits. If you see options for sales tax or income account mapping, choose the settings that match how you already track sales in QuickBooks. Taking a moment here helps keep your books clean and your reports accurate. When the connection finishes, give it a little time to run the first sync. Then open your Sales or Transactions area in QuickBooks to confirm that recent Square activity is coming in. If you also use bank feeds, compare Square Payouts in your bank feed with the synced sales and fees so they reconcile correctly. If you ever need to adjust settings or pause the connection, return to the Integration section and manage the Square integration from there. That's it. You went to QuickBooks, opened the Integrations area, and used Find Integrations to connect Square after confirming your subscription. Follow these steps, and you'll have a reliable, automated flow of data that keeps your books up to date with far less effort.